Hello everyone, this is Harsha. I am going to discuss about food carrying project. My customer name is Kalyan Jai Kanduri, who is from Nizamabad, Telangana and from India. My team members are Nikhil Nalluri, myself and Deep Patel. So I'm now going to explain about my project. My project is about food carrying. Food carrying means like it is an boat application which we can order our food from this app which gets a best rated food from best restaurants. And okay, so coming to my customer requirements. So the application name is Food Carving, and coming to the activities in my customer requirements, users can access the app to find the best restaurant nearby their location. This app can compare the food items from different restaurants to get the best quality food, and also food delivery application with addition recipes and also based cook based tips and kitchen hacks. So now let's discuss about the idea, how he got this idea. Once upon a time, he went to a restaurant and he ordered some food in that restaurant. At that time, like the food was not good taste, and he was the waste of time and also loss of money. In that scenario, after that scenario, he want to develop an application which he can get a best food item from a best restaurant. That was the reason for this application implement. Coming to the steps in the application. This is a chart-based application where a bot can assist users to access all the features in this app. Coming to the benefits, it helps the users to access the best foods and best restaurants. This gives the best experience and comparison of food and also food items from various restaurants by rating the dishes and price. So let's go into the in-depth of the project requirements of the client. So here are the some requirements for like security, accessibility, and user profiles. So here the specific requirements are foods like based on Python language. The customer wants to add up some cooking based tips, kitchen hacks in the application. Hardware requirements and hardware, software, and OS requirements. Here are the hardware, software, OS requirements. Now let's go into the use case diagram of this diagram. Here is the use case diagram. First, we need to log in into this app. After that, we need to search for the food item which we want to search for it. And this admin will get this restaurants of the food items which is have a good rating and also cooking based tips, kitchen hacks, and also comparison of food items from different restaurants. And then once we confirm the food item, this admin will manage the orders and at last we need to payment for the food item. It's about the explanation of the user case diagram. And next about this use case diagram, customer get feedback. Okay, here is the feedback of the customer after this use case diagram. So next, I'm going to discuss about this class hierarchy. In this class hierarchy, we have three types of class hierarchy. One is food class hierarchy and comparison hierarchy and restaurant hierarchy. In food hierarchy, we have two categories, food category and food price. Generally, food category means we have different types of food like Chinese food, Mexican food, and your Indian type of different types of food categories and food price of each one. Here is about this class hierarchy. And next coming to comparisons class hierarchy. Food comparisons and restaurant comparisons in this one. So food comparison, we'll get the food comparisons from different restaurants. And coming to restaurant, like it is a restaurant name, rating and location. Here we get the class hierarchy of restaurant one. Now, after the listening to the client requirements, the customer requirements, we have design and deployment. That is communication diagram, which is easy to explain to the customer and also it's easy to understand to him. In this communication diagram, first we need to log in and we need to search for the food what we want to order, and then this bot will check from the admin, and this admin will send the food list again back to this customer from the compare with the comparison of restaurants, the same food product, and then the restaurant name and rating, and we can confirm our order, and then we should and this admin will manage and confirm our order, and then we need to payment of the order, and if it is shipment order, that is about this communication diagram. After listening to this communication diagram, the customer is very impressed with this technical explanation. And at last, here is the code which we have designed for the food class hierarchy.